Hi guys, I just wanted to show you some of my Christmas decorations. So I'm going to start at the front door. So I did the steps, the banister. My candles here. So I got some decorations in here. And I hung some ornaments on the handles. That thing, that's my projector for the window, but you really can't see what's going on because there's light in here. But yeah, it's like a train going around the tree. What else? Got this guy here. And I put some old pictures of us and this guy and this. Just decorated all this here. I did that. Not really much going on over here, just a little stuff. This I had on my animal, but I put it on my dog and he's too fat, so it popped off. What else? I did the table with this cloth. Put the wreath. I put some stuff in the window here. That. Oh, and I actually got some chicken recipe that I'm doing. That'll be up on my channel after this video because I recorded it. Well, took pictures of it. So I did this. My cookie jar, dining room, and this is the table that my husband made, but it's been covered because of this tablecloth. Yeah, so I got some stuff in here. Some knickknacks, and I hung some stuff from the knobs. Then this is the tree. My reindeer. Yeah, it's like glass. And red and gold. It's like crystal. See, there's a glass. I love them. They're so pretty. So yeah, that's the tree. Got a little fireplace there. I hung some Christmas balls up here over the door. They're kind of big. I like them. And then I put lights around the door. So I figured it needed something because the tree was in that door. So I want to put some stuff on the doors, like decals or something. And then maybe some like the canned snow. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I just put this box here to make it look like something. I don't know. I like the box. Then I did this. Just some decorations in there. The stockings. I got a red light in there and a green light in the other one. And yeah, so that's about it. I didn't do my bathroom. The only thing that's in there is a little penguin soap pump. That's about it. And I bought this couch recently, so it kind of goes good now with this theme going. And I found this pillow, so I put that on there. And that's it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy, guys. See you in my next one. Bye.